Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Warzone Mobile on your personal computer without using an emulator. Many players seek this option to avoid potential performance issues or compatibility concerns often associated with emulators. We will explore straightforward methods that allow you to mirror your mobile device's screen directly onto your computer, giving you a larger display and more control. This guide aims to provide a clear path to enjoying your favorite mobile battle royale on a bigger screen, enhancing your gameplay experience significantly. The primary method involves screen mirroring, which projects your phone's display onto your personal computer. You can achieve this using popular applications such as Visor or a power mirror, readily available for download. These tools typically offer two connection types: a more stable USB connection or a convenient wireless Wi-Fi option. Once connected, your computer essentially becomes a larger display and control hub for your mobile device, allowing you to interact with Warzone Mobile using your keyboard and mouse. To enhance your Warzone Mobile experience, several optimizations are key. First, always ensure you have a very stable and fast internet connection to minimize any potential input lag between your phone and personal computer. Next, dedicate time to properly configure your keyboard and mouse mappings within the mirroring application. This allows for precise aiming and movement. Finally, adjust the graphical settings within Warzone Mobile on your mobile device itself to strike a balance between visual quality and smooth performance. While playing Warzone Mobile on your personal computer without an emulator offers advantages, it's important to acknowledge certain limitations. You might experience a slight input lag as the game is still running on your mobile device and being streamed. The overall performance will largely depend on the processing power and specifications of your smartphone or tablet. Remember, this method projects your mobile game. It does not transform it into a native personal computer title, so mobile-specific mechanics remain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.